Welcome to Creative Cookbooks. We are a family heirloom cookbook publisher that helps you to preserve generational recipes. Work with us to custom design and professionally publish your cookbook. We create them in 3 simple steps for our customers: service, product, and fulfillment. Our approach to service takes the barriers away and make publishing your own unique cookbook simple. We offer a do-it-with-me option where customers can do the easy parts, like entering recipes and uploading photos. And we do the hard parts, like formatting photos to fit the page and proofreading. Or, if you'd prefer, we can do it all for you. Our product options include spiral-bound books, paperback cookbook options, and hardcover cookbooks in sizes 5.5 by 8.5 or 8.5 by 11 inches. For fulfillment, customers can order copies and fulfill themselves. Or we can do print on demand with no minimum quantity required to order. We also offer personalized links. Personalized links are great for families wanting to offer an easy way for out-of-town family members to order their own copies, boosters wanting to offer an option to pre-order that avoids a large deposit, and small businesses. Food vloggers are great for side hustles wanting unlimited revisions and ebook options. Who are creative cookbooks for? 1. Families and individuals looking to preserve their generational recipes in a family heirloom cookbook. Perhaps give as a unique gift. Offer a family link for all members of the family or keep for yourself. With your recipes and custom images, you can't go wrong. 2. Booster parents looking for a unique fundraiser for their child's favorite sports team or school. 3. Food vloggers and social influencers looking to expand their reach and make a little extra money from a unique side hustle and ebook option. Lastly, business owners looking for a great last-minute impulse buy item featuring their own special recipes at the cash register. If you're a booster parent looking for a creative fundraiser idea, we've got you covered. We offer discounts on orders of 25 copies or more and can provide pre-order links. It usually takes us 6 weeks to fulfill an order, but if you have all the recipes ready to go, we can fulfill quickly, usually within 2 to 4 weeks. We also offer an ebook version, which can be completed within 24 hours. Lastly, if you're a small business owner looking for a creative cash register impulse item to sell, we can help with that too. Recipe ingredients are not copyright protected, so you can copy the ingredients, but be sure to make the how-to section of each recipe your own. We also offer video links to make things easier. Thank you for watching our introduction to Creative Cookbooks video. To learn more about how you can get started on designing your own creative cookbook, visit www.creativecookbooks.com. We look forward to helping you create your next cookbook.